Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Just Sophia. So guys, today we talk about Pinterest affiliate marketing. So now I know when we talk about affiliate marketing, most of us think of a website, a blog, where you have content and then you insert affiliate links in your within your content, and then someone clicks, they go and buy, then you earn a commission. Now that is just one of the many ways that you can do affiliate marketing. I'm sure you have seen even on TikTok, even on Instagram, people telling you to go click a link on their bio so that you can buy a product. Yeah, what they are doing is also affiliate marketing, only that they don't have a blog or a website. So, guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Judith. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development. If that is the kind of content you're looking for, please be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a video. So now guys, if you didn't know, Pinterest has almost half a billion. Like it is just, I know Facebook we are at 3 billion, but now Pinterest is also steadily growing year by year. So it has 450 monthly views. So now we want to leverage these views, these people that are on Pinterest, and make money on Pinterest. Yeah. So that is where Pinterest affiliate marketing comes in. Now, I'm going to take you through the step by step procedure on how to make money on Pinterest using affiliate marketing. So, now the first thing that you need to do, guys, is to select a niche. Of course, anything that you do online is just good to niche down. So you'll select a niche, and when it comes to Pinterest, of these 450 million active users, of these 450 active users on Pinterest, 72% of them are women. So now when you're selecting a niche, you need to know the people that you are targeting. And in this case, we are going to target women, especially middle age, because those are the buyers. So now, guys, now when you are selecting a niche, you need to look at the things that are of interest to this particular group of people. Those are women, middle-aged women, and one of them is fitness. Yeah, so women, middle-aged women are into fitness in today's world. Yeah, we all want to look good with our bodies and all that. So now a niche that has products in the fitness niche, products in the fitness niche are more likely to get sold. And then another niche is beauty, of course. After working out, after looking good, you want to have a good skin, you have to good makeup and all that. So also makeup or skincare niche is also a good idea. We also want to have good homes. We want our homes to be beautiful. So home decor is also another possible niche. What is the other one? Parenting. Yes, parenting is also another possible niche. So those are four possible niches that you can choose depending on now what interests you, of course. And also you have to go and check the products, because now there's those niches that, for example, have high commissions, and also we have products that are selling, that have high selling prices. So that means you also increase your chances of getting a higher commission. So now, after selecting a niche, now the next thing, that is step number two. Step number two, you'll have to go and find those affiliate programs. So there are many of them out there. Now, the most popular one is, of course, Amazon. And in Amazon, you'll get many kinds of things. By the way, it is actually one of the best, because it is like everything under one roof. So you'll get baby products there. You'll get beauty products. You'll get deco items. You'll get fitness equipment and everything else that you're looking for on Amazon. So other affiliate programs, you can also sign up to a ClickBank. You can also check out awin.com and many others out there. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to focus on Amazon affiliates. Okay, so let me share my screen so that you can follow through what I am talking about so that you don't get lost. So guys, we are going to go with the Amazon affiliate program. So you go to amazon.com. So you'll have to sign up first to any affiliate program that you have chosen to go with. So now when we come to amazon.com, of course, I am already an affiliate marketer there. So that is why you see Judith's amazon.com. But now as a new person who wants to join this program, you'll go down there and click become an affiliate. So that is where you'll go, and then you'll register. After registering, you see now it takes me directly to my whatever affiliate associates account. So now let's just go back. If I hadn't registered, it would have taken me to a place where I would have signed up, but now I have already done that process. So now after registering, let's say for example you have chosen to go with maybe parenting. Yeah, so now you simply come here and search any product, the product that you have chosen to promote. Let's say for example pregnancy books. So if I come here and search pregnancy books, it will bring me several. Let's say for example I want to promote which one, what to expect when expecting. So I'll simply click it so that it can come to its own page. And then what I'll do to get the link is simply to come here. So you see I already have an Amazon Associates account here, site Stripe. So I click get link. I go to get link and then click text. And then this is the link that I will take. So I simply copy it. Okay, so I have copied this link. So this is the link that I'm going to use to promote my page. So every time someone comes across this link and then they click it to come and buy on Amazon, I get a commission. I hope we are together up to that point. So now we have, so the first process was to select a niche. We have a niche. The second stage was to get the affiliate program. We have chosen to go with Amazon. The third stage is now to go to Pinterest and create an account. So you go to pinterest.com. Again, I have several accounts there. I have one for my blogs, but now I'm going to use this one because it's brand new. If I hadn't chosen any, of course it will let me sign up. So you simply follow the procedure to sign up to a business account, Pinterest business. So you select Pinterest business, not personal. Okay, so Pinterest business. So after that, now we want to start promoting our products. The products that you have selected on Amazon, we want to start promoting them. And to be able to do that, you'll have to create pins on Pinterest. So you simply come here to create pin, and then after choosing, of course you are expected to put a photo here. You have to upload a photo and then put your description here, your title here, and then a small description about this pin. And then now you can add your link here. So now the next stage is for you to be able to get those pins. Yeah, so we need a good pin, a good photo, that is what you call pin, to put it here so that it can be appealing. One thing that you should understand about Pinterest is that it is a photo platform. So it has to be, your photos it's a visual platform. So your photos have to be very appealing, very attractive, so that it can attract the attention of anyone who is scrolling through. Remember, you're not the only one who is doing this, so you have to really stand out. To be able to create appealing pins on your Pinterest account, I will advise you to go to Canva. so that it can give you templates, or you can even create from scratch. You don't have to go for the paid one. You can go for the free version. When you are on Canva, sorry, you go to canva.com. So when you are on canva.com, you simply search for what templates. Okay, let's go to Pinterest. Pinterest pins, yes, Pinterest pins. So it will populate thousands of options for you to choose from. So now, let's say, for example, we can choose to use this. So I said you can choose the paid one or the free version. But now that we are just starting out, of course, it's always good to go for the free one. So when you put a cursor on any of these pins, it will show you, like, this one is free. A paid one will always, like this one pro. This one you have to pay. You have to be on the paid version of Canva. So let's say, for example, you can choose to use this particular one. And then the best thing about Canva is that you can always customize your template to suit your whatever it is that you want to promote. So let's say, for example, we have chosen to promote this book again. So we are on Amazon right now. We want to promote this book. So we want the photo. Let me see. Copy image or save image as. Let us save this image on the desktop. Pregnancy book. So that is how we have saved our image. And then we will come back to our template where we were customizing it, and then go to upload. So you go to uploads and then upload files. Okay, so now it will take us to the one we had saved, pregnancy book. And then now you can simply drag it here. You drag it there, make sure it shows well, and then now you can just customize the words. You can even delete this one, and then here what to expect when you are expecting. Yeah, so let's say that is what you have chosen. You can even you can delete this one. Anything that doesn't make sense to you, you can always delete it. So this is our design. We save it. Sorry, we download it. Then after downloading it, now you go back to Pinterest. Go back to Pinterest, and then now we want to drag it there. Go to downloads. Which one have I chosen? Anyway, you understand the concept. So now we have chosen our photo, our pin, and then now you come here and put the title, what to expect when expecting book, and then you write a small description about the pin. So now write a small description about this book, or about anything else that you're selling that you want to promote. Let's say, for example, you can write, this book will let you know about anything that you need to know when you're expecting. Yeah, so write a small description about whatever you are promoting, and then this link from Amazon. Come to Amazon. We said you will go to text, and then it will populate a link here. This is your store ID. This is what you are given. This is what you create when you sign up to be an affiliate. So now you copy this link and then come to Pinterest and then put it here. So that is what you do. You can create up to as many pins as possible, but I can suggest that you create up to 4 per week. You can create more if you want, but now you just want to increase your chances of selling. So make sure you are consistent with this. Just one pin per week, for example, will not do you good. So make sure it is something that you do consistently, just to increase your chances of selling. So when someone comes, they read the description. Of course, make sure this photo, this place here is really beautiful. It is appealing to the eye. And then when someone clicks on this link to go and buy, that is when you get a commission from whichever affiliate program you have chosen. So guys, that's it about Pinterest affiliate marketing. I hope you have learned something new today. Let me know in the comment section down below if it is something that you can try, if you have already tried it, or just talk to me. Any other topic that I can talk about on different ways of how to make money online videos, please give me suggestions in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share me out, okay? Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.